Welcome back. I'll be showing how to make cornmeal at home. This is an easy homemade cornmeal recipe that you can make using your popcorn or popcorn kernels. So stay tuned. So to make this homemade cornmeal, I'll be making use of popcorn kernels. So I'll be using about 500 grams of popcorn kernels. Homemade cornmeal is more richer and healthy than store-bought. So that's the reason why I'm making it at home. I'm going to add the corn kernel into my blender. If you want to blend this into a fine powder, you will need a commercial blender or high-speed blender. So I've already added the corn kernel into my blender. I'm going to blend into a fine powder. So when I'm done blending, I'm going to use a sieve to sieve to get the cornmeal flour. So after sieving the cornmeal, the leftover one, you can also blend it again. So I would advise that you spread out the flour to cool before storing because the fraction of the grinding process can cause some level of heat. You can store this cornmeal in airtight silicone bag or in a jar at room temperature. You will want the container to be as air-free as possible. This cornmeal contains fiber and protein and some other nutrients which will help to aid digestion. You can also use it for your baking to bake your bread, cookies or anything you like. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.